your Facebook profile and how you manage it. I'm not just saying that to be cute, because there actually is a brand new app called Klever, spelled with a K. And I'm going to tell you all about it. There is one flaw, but don't worry, I've got a solution. I'm the only one who came up with it. So stick with me, it's coming right up. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with a hat. Now, why would that be? Well, it's actually quite simple. You see, I happen to be somebody who likes wearing a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go, and I am one of the few people who can pull one successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you're not new, feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be as boring as, well, one of those stale comics like, oh, I don't know, Jerry Seinfeld. No, I'm just kidding. I love Jerry. He's a great comic. But anyway, if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and info products to make money online niche. Now, why would that be? Well, that's because I want to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Bart, every single day you got to say that? Give it a rest. Do you realize how annoying it is? Every day I hear the same thing from that guy. You'd think he could get a life. You'd think so, but he doesn't. Every day he's got to interrupt my videos. Really, get a life, Bart. If you are new to the channel, the way things work here, if I like our product, I will give a tip my hat to the product creator. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Why, thank you, Liz Lemon. I love Liz. She says the same thing every day also, but I can't get angry at her. She's a sweetheart. Anyway, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Obliterate it. And then go ahead and obliterate the bell icon, because frankly, subscribe doesn't mean anything on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Welcome. We are on the sales page for Klever, that's spelled with a K, K-L-E-V-E-R. And right off the bat, I do have some criticism for these guys. Billy Darr, who created it, tends to be kind of hyperbolic when he does his sales pages. I get why, but I'm not a big fan. So yeah, these kind of numbers, sure, you might get that eventually, but you're not going to see it right away. These are probably from his personal account on an off day, to be perfectly honest, and that's basically just showing what he was able to make from his business in a single day. Now, look at these things. Okay, autopilot free traffic in 60 seconds. Yeah, actually, that's kind of true. And I'm going to show you in a minute inside the app why it could be true. Okay, new and unique. There are aspects that are new and unique. Okay, what I don't like, the 90-day guarantee. Honestly, maybe they will. I don't know. But I wouldn't count on it being a true 90-day guarantee, or that they're going to send you $500 if you don't get traffic. Because the truth of the matter is that they know most people who buy these things never use them. And that's the reason that people don't get traffic. If you don't use it, they're not going to pay you the $500. And they figure if you do use it, you are going to get traffic, because frankly, it does work. Anyway, so there is, however, a major issue that I have with Klever that I do want to point out to you. I'm going to show you inside the members area in just a moment. I do want to tell you a little bit about my custom bonuses before we do that, though, because I have a massive bonus package available for you. And specifically, part of it is something that you're not going to get from anyone else except for me, because there is a flaw in Klever. It's not really their fault. It's just this would be a flaw no matter what would happen if we were looking at any kind of a product. Okay, so let me show you real quick over here my list of bonuses. I want to pull it up real quick. So there's actually a dozen different bonuses that I'm going to be giving you, which came directly from Billy Darr, who created Klever, and he was very generous. So you have viral marketing exposed, video marketing masterclass, Twitter marketing for beginners, the power of network marketing, streams of income via internet marketing, 6-minute marketing, secrets of marketing via social media, mobile marketing boosters, marketing for free on the internet, joint venture marketing, information marketing business, how to outsource internet marketing, how to find the hotspots I guess in internet marketing, Facebook marketing services, effective internet marketing, autoresponder marketing, attraction marketing, affiliate marketing e-course, affiliate marketing beginners, and 100 membership site marketing. Wow, that's a lot of courses there, a lot of material. But here's the thing, and I want to show you the members area of Klever right now because there is a specific issue that you really need to know about. So this is the members area of Klever. It's a very nicely done piece of software. Basically, what it does is it automates creating content for Facebook. You can see there are other software that do create content for Facebook. So saying it's completely unique is not truly true. What's completely unique is that they have all these different options available. Most of them will just let you put up just a standard static post, and this guy's really have every possible option available for your Facebook profile. Now, here's where my custom bonus comes in. I'm the only one who has noticed this issue. So Klever comes with what they call auto content, which is great. Okay, you can put in a keyword like, for example, make money online. All right, and click search, and it's going to come up with content for you. Now, here's the problem with this. The content is going to come up with for you. Just a minute, it's going to load up, assuming my internet works with me. Here we go. So check this out. So it's going to pull up all these different things, and these are coming off the internet, off of YouTube, different places. What's the problem with this? Okay, earn $625 for free, get paid to watch YouTube videos. Fine, that's great. This is not helpful to you, okay? This content is completely worthless as far as putting something up on Facebook because you don't want something that's so specific to somebody else's content. You need your own materials, okay? Now, these over here, for example, this just the tags, these are great, okay? These are great tags to use. You can use them, and they're wonderful, okay? And you can also just paste in your own content. You can translate it into a different language if you like, and copy it to clipboard. All that is great stuff. This is great stuff. But the problem is with this suggested content, this is useless. It may be worth something in a different niche. I'm not going to test every single possible niche to see if maybe it's going to pull something in. Bottom line, most of this content is not going to be useful to you. So what can you do? Well, it's actually very simple. You get Klever from me because when you get it from me, I'm including 15,000 articles on various topics, okay? And these articles are generic. They're designed to be used for exactly this kind of purpose. So you have hundreds of different topics available in my package of articles. You go and pick out an article, grab a piece of it, stick it into the software right here, use the tags, use everything else that's here because everything else is great. And then go ahead and actually post it onto Facebook, and it's awesome. But if you end up being one of the people who don't buy from me, you're going to end up with junk like this, which is completely useless and worthless because this is not something that you want to actually have on your Facebook because it looks like gibberish to anybody else. Okay, so you really, really, really want to get it from me. I'm the only one who's doing this, by the way, because I've looked at everybody else. Everybody's got all kind of cutesy stuff for Facebook. Nobody noticed this particular issue and said, hey, why don't we solve it? I did. Okay, and let's go ahead and see if I can give a tip my hat's a product creator or not.
For the giant hat, sir.
All over the web and wasting a tremendous amount of time having to edit content in order to make it actually work. And then Klever isn't quite as clever as they may think it's going to be. So go ahead and grab it, but only if you use my link.